Hello friends, welcome to Pharma Learning. So today's topic is the classification of the antibiotics. So in which classification of antibiotics, which is depending on the three factors. First is the spectrum of antimicrobial activity, second one is the biosynthesis, and third one is the chemical nature, chemical structure. Okay, so antibiotic are classified on the three way spectrum of activity, then is biosynthesis, and then the chemical structure. Okay, the first type is the depend on the spectrum of the antimicrobial activity. Okay, so there is two type, narrow spectrum activity and the broad spectrum activity. So first is the narrow spectrum antibiotics. Okay, so this type of the antibiotics having a high degree of the specificity. Okay, so they act on the either the gram positive bacteria or the gram negative bacteria, okay, or certain type of the yeast or fungi. Okay, so this having a specific effect on the specific microbacteria. Okay, for example, that is the benzyne penicillin, same as in broad spectrum antibiotics. Okay, so it having a very low degree of the specificity, low degree of the selectivity. Okay, so they effect on the gram positive and also the gram negative large number of the pathogens. For example, streptomycin, chloramphenicol, and the tetracycline. Now the second classification, which is depending upon the biosynthesis. Okay, so the antibiotics which is derived from the amino acid, then they are classified antibiotics which is derived from the sugar, antibiotics derived from the acetate and the propionates and the miscellaneous. So first type is the antibiotic which is derived from the amino acid. Okay, so some antibiotics which is derived from the single amino acid, that is the example is the chloramphenicol. Now the sum of the antibiotics which is derived from the two amino acid, for example benzyne penicillin, then the many amino acid, that is the bacitracin. Now the antibiotics which is derived from the sugar. Okay, so at that time the name is the streptomycin, neomycin, and the gentamicin. Some antibiotics which is derived from the acetate and the propionate unit, so for example tetracycline, erythromycin, and the other antibiotics like the griseofulvin and the rifampicin. Now the third and important classification that depend on the basis of their chemical structure. So there is the major two part. One is the beta lactam antibiotics and the non beta lactam antibiotics. Okay, so we all know that beta lactam is one type of the ring. Okay, so now the penicillin and the cephalosporin which contain this beta lactam ring, so it is known as the beta lactam antibiotics, and other than this which is known as the non beta lactam antibiotics. Okay, so now the examples of the beta lactam antibiotics, there is the benzyne penicillin, benzathine penicillin, phenoxymethyl penicillin, ampicillin, carbanicillin, floxacillin, cephaloridine. These are the all are the cephalosporin group. Okay, so these are the example of the beta lactam antibiotics. Now the non beta lactam antibiotics, so these are the various antibiotics which is come under this classification. So first antibiotics which having a hydronaphthalene ring, that is the tetracycline. Next is the aminoglycoside antibiotics. We all know that we in the other classification we classify based on the biosynthesis from the sugar basis. Okay, so at that time it is the aminoglycoside antibiotics. Okay, glycoside, that is the sugar containing antibiotics, that is the streptomycin, neomycin, gentamicins. Next is the macrolides antibiotics, that is the erythromycin. Then anamycins, which is when benzene containing antibiotics, that is the rifampicin. Next is the choline macrolides. Okay, the nystatins, amphotericin B, which is comes under the choline macrolide antibiotics. Next is the anthracycline antibiotics, that is the actinomycin D. Now the peptide antibiotics, bacitracin. Then steroidal antibiotics, fusidic acid. Then nucleosides antibiotics, that is the puromycin. And other, there is the mitomycin, cycloserins, and non-classifiable. Okay, we all know that other than this is the griseofulvin and the chloramphenicol. Okay, so now For a non-lactam, non-beta-lactam antibiotics, so there is one key for remember of this non-beta-lactam antibiotics. So it is easily remember with this formula A4P2N2SO. Okay, so A4 means that antibiotic containing hydronaphthalene ring, 1A. Then another A is the aminoglycoside antibiotics. Third A is the anthracycline antibiotics and the N-amycins. P2 means proline containing antibiotics and the peptide antibiotics. N2 means nucleoside and non-classifiable antibiotics. S means steroidal, and O is the other heterocyclic ring containing antibiotics, that is the cyclosalin and the mitomycins. Okay. Thank you for watching Pharma Learning.